Good morning, it's Tuesday the 16th of December and this is your ETX Capital Daily Market Bite. Overnight US stocks sold off after a volatile trading session. Oil's decline continued to add concerns over global demand. Amongst the day's data, manufacturing output recorded its largest increase in 9 months in November. However, this was undermined by the New York Federal Reserve's gauge of manufacturing that turned negative in December for the first time in almost 2 years. The Dow therefore dropped 0.58% to 17,180.84. The S&P off 12.7 points to 1989.63, and the Nasdaq lost 1.04% to 4605.16. Looking at the FX markets, the dollar traded marginally off at 117.77 yen, further from the year high of 121.86 on met on December the 8th. The euro was slightly up against the dollar at 124.42. The interesting one last night, the Russian central bank raised its key interest rate to 17% from 10.5%, a move to combat increased devaluation and inflationary risks over in Russia. The ruble weakened beyond 60 to the dollar after rising to above 67 at one point on Monday when oil prices fell sharply. It last traded around 60.25 to the dollar. Commodity markets, US crude was off about 0.4% in Asian trade at 55.69 a barrel after touching a fresh May 2009 low of 55.02 on Monday. Brent shed 0.4% to 60.82, also falling as low as 60.20 on Monday, its lowest since July 2009. Looking further at commodity markets now, spot gold added 0.3% to 1195.90 an ounce after falling more than 2% on Monday, its deepest slide in over a year following the slump in oil prices. Throughout the equity markets, the interesting one this morning, bank stress test results have been revealed. All UK main banks would be able to withstand a sharp fall in house prices other than the troubled Co-op Bank. This was issued by the Bank of England this morning about 7 o'clock. Off the back of that, HSBC is trading at about 600 pence a share, up 2%. Barclays also up about 1.5% to 228. Data today, a whole raft of data coming out throughout the Eurozone and the US. To start us off, we have German manufacturing PMI at 9:30, expected at 50.4. This is followed by flash manufacturing PMI throughout the Eurozone, expected at 50.5. That's at 10 o'clock. Then Bank of England's Carney speaks. This is also at 10. Following on from that, we have UK CPI year-on-year data at 30:30, expected at 1.2%. Then German economic sentiment at 11, expected at 19.8. Moving on to the States now at 1:30, we have building permits in the US, 1.06 million expected. Then the flash manufacturing data coming out of the States at 2:45, expected at 56.1. Then further data from the States the news that will start today is, of course, that final US Fed meeting of 2014, with a statement expected on Wednesday at 2 o'clock. If there's anything revealed today, who knows? We'll have to wait and see. Today at the open, we have the UK, the FTSE at 62.03, the DAX at 93.65, and the CAC at 40.23.